Hello friends, I am Karthik, a trader in stock market. Today we are going to see Nifty option chain analysis for 16th June 2021. Okay, before going on to my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon and never miss any update. So this is the small disclaimer. I have taken the Nifty option chain for the week 17th June 2021, that is the expiry week is 17th June 2021, and the Nifty closed at 15,869.25 as on 15th June. Okay, and we are going to predict the Nifty for 16th June 2021. Okay, and this is my option chain which I have taken from NSE website. Okay, on the left hand side I have calls. So first I have open interest, change in open interest. Okay, change in 1 minute. Yeah, this is open interest, change in open interest, volume, LTP and change. Okay, and this is the strike price I have taken from 15,500 onwards, and always call represents resistance. Okay, and on the right hand side I have taken the puts data, and this is the open interest, change in open interest, volume, LTP and change. Okay, and this is the strike price for put, same which is for calls, and this is from 15,500, and puts always represents support. Okay, so the market closed at 15,000, that is the market closing was at 15,869.25. okay, and this 15,869.25 comes in this range, that is in between of 15,850 to 15,900. okay, and first we are going to analyze the call side. Okay, that is the call side. Okay, that is the resistance. Okay, the first resistance is at 15,900, and we have open interest of 45,185, and change in open interest is at around 11,029, and volumes around 7,80,473. okay, here you can see it has a huge volume. Okay, so this will be the major resistance, that is number one resistance for Nifty. Okay, then we have second resistance at 16,000, and we have open interest of 54,924, and we have change in open interest of 11,592, and volume is around 6,30,336. okay, here also the volume is more, so this will act as a second major resistance. Okay, and we have third resistance at 16,100. okay, and the open interest is around 37,765, and change in open interest is around 5,238, and the volumes is around 3 lakhs. okay, this will be our third resistance. okay, and so I don't feel that tomorrow's market, that is the on 16th June 2021, I don't feel the market will cross these three levels in a one day. Okay, until some news appears into market. So the Nifty will not go 300 plus points in one day. Nifty will not go 300 plus points up in one day. Okay, so I will stop here itself for resistance. And when it comes to support zone, we have the first support is at 15,800. okay, this will be our first support, and the open interest is around 48,988, and change in open interest is around 18,786, and volumes is around 7,40,301. this will be our first support. Okay, to be frank, and we have our second support at 15,700, and the open interest is around 46,342, and change in open interest is 4468, and the volumes is around 3,83,649. okay, this will be our major support. Okay, this will be our major support, that is second support. Okay, I am ignoring the third support and fourth support seriously. Why? Because even though we have a huge volume, that is, you can see that we have a huge open interest. Okay, see, we have a huge open interest here, 35,000, 34,000 and 41,000. We have a huge open interest, but when it comes to change in open interest, we don't see that much change in open interest. Okay, and volumes also, we don't have that much volume. Okay, it's around 2.5 lakhs, that's it. Okay, so I don't feel that tomorrow, if in case if the market goes negative, it will not break 15,700. Okay, so I will stop my support analysis here itself. Okay, so that means I am keeping my support, major support, at 15,700 only maximum. Okay, so when it comes to in which direction the market might go, okay, as per the PCR, the current PCR is at 1.20. Okay, the current PCR is at 1.20, so the 1.20 means bullish trend. Okay, if the PCR is more than 1 means it's bullish, less than 1 means bearish, and closer to 1 means sideways. Okay, so PCR clearly indicates it's a bullish trend. Okay, so in order to confirm that one, we will once again see the option chain analysis. See what has happened in the sense. So after today's market close, you can see there is a huge change in open interest. That is, the change in open interest is around 11,000. Here you have 5,000, and here you have 6,000. Okay, you have major change in open interest, and also open interest also you have major open interest here. Okay, in these three levels. Okay, and volumes also you can predict, you have a huge volumes on the call side. Okay, it clearly indicates here you have huge volume. When you compare the call side, you don't have that much open interest. Okay, that much open interest, whereas you have open interest, but you don't have that much change in open interest. Okay, the majority of the change in open interest have stopped at 15,800 only max. Okay, 15,800 and 15,900 only we have. And volumes also, you can see that you have majority of the volumes above 15,800 only. Okay, see here you have huge volumes. Okay, it clearly states that the traders who have invested in puts are clearly believing that the market will not go below 15,800. Okay, 15,800. In case if the market breaks 15,800, 15,700 is the major support for tomorrow's trade. Okay, and when it comes to call side, here you can see we have a huge volumes. Okay, when you compare the huge volumes and change in open interest and open interest, so all these three factors, it clearly says the market will be in bullish only. Okay, when you compare to put side. Okay, so what might be the tomorrow's range? So tomorrow's range might be 15,700. Okay, it will be our first range. Okay, so it will be the first one. This will be our first support. Okay, and this will be our second support. Okay, market will not go beyond less than 15,700, and if the market goes bullish in the sense, first it needs to break 15,900, then 16,000. Okay, so the chances of market going towards 16,000 is more tomorrow. Okay, the chances of market going towards 16,000 is more. Okay, in case if the market doesn't move upwards, so if it goes in the sideways, that means neither increase or decrease means, then the market will be trading between this range itself, that is 15,800 to 15,900. Why? Because you can see that you have a huge volumes at this 3 strike price itself. Okay, 7,000, 7 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, so almost 14 lakhs. Here also 7 lakh, 3 lakh, 14 lakhs. So sideways also tomorrow it is possible, because day after tomorrow we have weekly expiry. Okay, and already the market is in 52 weeks high. Okay, so tomorrow, if tomorrow you can say that market will be in sideways only. In case if it breaks 15,900, then market can go upwards to 16,000. okay, so 15,800 to 1 minute text I don't see. Yeah, so 15,800 to 15,900. okay, for sideways. Okay, in case if the market breaks 16,000, okay, you can say in case if market breaks 16,000, that is 15,900. 15,900 is broken means then you can expect market going towards 16,000. okay, so what I'm actually trying to say is, see guys, so anything can happen in stock market. okay, you cannot predict this will be the market condition, this will be the market condition, like that you cannot predict. okay, in case if the market breaks, okay, okay, in case if the market breaks 15,900, then you can expect market going towards 16,000. Otherwise the market will be in sideways between 15,800 to 15,900 only, because day after tomorrow we have weekly expiry, and also the market has already reached 52 weeks high. okay, and PCR clearly indicates tomorrow it will be bullish only. okay, if it breaks 15,900, it will seriously go towards 16,000. okay, and another thing, please remember, since the market is already crossed in the 52 weeks high, so remember this point, stock market is always driven by news. okay, so any one negative news can pull down the market down, okay, or any positive news can make the market move upwards also. okay, so please do your own research before investing in stock market. okay, and be cautious while we are nearing to weekly expiry. okay, be very cautious.